and salutations, your average rider here. Let's talk wheel tape, part 2. So it's not exactly what you think. During my last video, I had installed the wheel tape on the front wheels of my Honda. Now I would have done the rear wheels as well, except as I mentioned in that video, I had messed up so badly on the front wheels that I didn't have enough to do both sides of the rear wheel, but I still had plenty of wheel tape left. So what should I do with it? So I decided to put it on this Bell SRT Modular helmet, courtesy of Bell Powersports. So as it sits right now, these outer pinstripes, I've put reflective tape on here already. Let's have a look at that install. So that was a super simple install. As you can see, didn't take me very long whatsoever. Used a little bit of heat from the hair dryer and it went on really well. I think it was a great use for the extra reflective tape that I happen to have. Helmet looks completely stock during the day, but at night with the light shining off of it, I get the added benefit of the reflective tape for a safety feature. And if you haven't seen my review of the Bell SRT helmet, spoiler alert, it's an amazing helmet. Go check that video out. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.